Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning lesson number 16, page number 46, and this is regarding Ahkam Laam, rules of Laam. So, whenever there is Laam, there is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, the the Laam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is sometimes light and sometimes heavy. It depends on the haraka which is coming before it, immediate for it. If it's fatha or dhamma, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. And if there is kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, then the lam in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be light. So how to say heavy lam? You lift your tongue up. The root of your tongue will be lifted up to make any letter heavy, and the same situation is with lam. You have to lift your tongue up to make this lam heavy. And how you will say light lam? You will keep your tongue straight, very straight, then the lam will be light. So we are practicing here. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Allahu. Hamza is very strong letter, and now you are joining it with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So this lam will be heavy. Allah, Allah. Say this sound, law, to say heavy letter. Allah, Allah, and it will be 2 counts long too. Always, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, the lam will be always 2 counts long. Allahu. And how will you stop? Allah. It will turn into mad arid lis-sukun. You are giving sukun at the last letter, and this is temporary sukun, which will make the long vowel 4 counts long. It was 2 counts long before, now it's 4 counts long. Allah. And how will get ruqawa? And let me take and okay. Allah, Tallahi. So before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. And before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you found what? Fatha. And when there is fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, then the lam will be heavy. So saying heavy lam, the sound is law. Law, and it will be 2 counts long too. He, he, and now you are stopping. So what is the mechanism of stopping? You will give sukoon at the last letter, and that is ha. And then you found what? The long vowel, and this long vowel will turn into 4 haraka now. So it will be Tallah. Me, short. No. Now this noon will be light, but as soon as we will pronounce this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, the lam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, it will be heavy because you find what? There is fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So whenever there is fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, then lam will be the lam in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy. So minallah, law, and that will be 2 counts long too. Minallahi. He is short. But when you will make it stop, this ha will get sukoon, and that will be temporary sukoon. And before temporary sukoon, if you found the 2 counts long vowel, then you will turn it into 4 counts long. So now when you will stop, you will turn it into 4 counts long. Minallah. Minallahi. This is how you say in wasl continuation. Now you are stopping. How you will stop? Minallah. Rasulullahi. Rasulullah. Ra will be heavy because whenever you will find fatha or dhamma on ra, it will be heavy. Saying ra is raw. Ra is heavy. Su, su will be 2 counts long. Lu, that this lam will be light, but the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, the lam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be heavy, and that will be 2 counts long too, and this ha will be short. Lullahi Rasulullah. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the last letter. So this is ha. And you found what? Long vowel before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So this long vowel will change into 4 counts long now. This is called mad arid lissakoon. Mad to make anything long. Mad arid means temporary sakoon. Where is the temporary sakoon? Here. It was kasra before, but for waqf, for to stop, you will give its sakoon, and that is a temporary sakoon. It's not permanent. Permanent haraka is kasra, but you are giving a temporary sukoon to give it a stop. So this temporary sukoon, if you will find temporary sukoon before long vowel, you will make 2 counts long vowel into, you will exchange it with 4 counts long. Rasulullah. Rasulullahi. Rasulullah. Sub, for dhamma, circle your lips. For ba, give qalqala. Kutubujatin are the 5 letters. Whenever they come with sakoon, it gets qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. You are closing the makhraj very sharply, but to create qalqala, you open it little, and that makes qalqala, the sound of qalqala. Sub, ha, from your throat, and it will take 2 counts long because it's standing. Fatha. Na, short. Gaw, kaf is light. But as soon as you will touch Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name in the Quran is Allahi and Allahumma. These are the 2 names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala which shares the same rules. So whatever rule is here on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, Allahumma will get the same rules. So if you will found what you will find fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, then this name will be heavy too. So as soon as you will touch lam here, you will make it heavy. Allah, Subhanakallahumma. For dhamma, circle your lips and give gunna on meme. but fatha is very short. Hum, this gunna is longer, but fatha is short. Ma, hum, ma. Subhanakallahumma. Now, how will you stop? Subhanakallahum. The gunna will not be dropped when you will give sukoon. So make sure you make this lam heavy and 2 counts long too. Or 2 counts long, and it is heavy too because qaf is a heavy letter. Khussa, daqt, and qiz are the heavy letters. Or lul. This lam will be light and this will be heavy because this is part of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, and you found what? You found this dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So because of this dhamma, this lam will be heavy. Oh, law, and that will be 2 counts long too. Law. Hum, for dhamma, circle your lips and give gunna on meme, but fatha is short. Hum, this is gunna, and fatha is ma. Hum, ma. Qulullohumma. How will you will give stop? Qulullohum. You will not drop gunna at the end. Now you will find how to make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name light. So okay, so if you find you'll find kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you will make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name light. How you'll say it? Let's do it. Bis, ba is ba with kasra will get light sound. Bis and sin will get safir and raqawa, and it will be light. Bismil, give kasra on meme and say e sound. Milla, la. 2 counts long, and it will be light. Why? Because you found what? Kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Bismillah. This light sound will be as any lam. It will be ordinary lam. It will not be heavy. La, your tongue will be in a natural position, very straight. Bismillah. He is short. Bismillah. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. So this is a temporary sukoon, and if you find long vowel before temporary sukoon, you will change this long vowel into 4 counts long. So now this lam will be 4 counts long, and you will give rakhawa at the end because ra is a rakhawa letter, and rakhawa is flow of sound. You will give a flow on the sound. Bismillah. Bismillahi. Bismillah. B, ba is a very light letter, and for kasra give e sound, and now you will attach it with a lam. And Allah, if you find before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name kasra before it, so you will make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name very light. The lam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be light. And saying light lam, the mechanism of light lam is to keep your tongue very straight in a natural position. Bil, la, and that will be 2 counts long too. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Billahi, he is short. Now, how will you stop? you will give temporary sukoon on ha, and before temporary sukoon you found what? Oh, there is long vowel, so you will change it into 4 counts long now. This is mad arid للسكون. بالله لله. Look, you found what? Kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. And as soon as you will touch Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Laam of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, that will be light and it will be 2 counts long too. Lil, and make sure you make a very light sound for kasra. Give E sound. Lillahi. He is short. And how will you stop? Lillah. You will give temporary sukoon on ha, and if you found long vowel before temporary sukoon, you will change it into 4 counts long, and this is called mad arid للسكون. لله لله لله. A very sharp sound for fatha. Open your jaws. Ru, 2 counts long. For dhamma, circle your lips. Du. For dhamma, circle your lips and give a very short sound because this is a short vowel. B for kasra, give very light sound of E and attach it with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Billah, and that will be light because you found what? Kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Billah, and that will be 2 counts long too. He, billahi, a'udhu billahi. How will you stop? A'udhu billah. You will give temporary sukoon on ha if you find 2 counts long vowel before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. You will change it into 4 counts to make and to give it a stop. A'udhu billah. Qaf is heavy and make it heavy. For dhamma, circle your lips. This lam is light. This lam has kasra. Give E sound. Li. Now this is attached with lam in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will be light. Qulillah, and it is always 2 counts long. Qulillah hum, for dhamma, circle your lips and give ghunna on mim. Hum, this is ghunna, and for fatha, the sound should be very short. Ma, hum, ma. Qulillahumma. How will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end, but the tashdid will not be dropped. Qulillahum. The ghunna will be there. Sa. So there will be no the sukoon. Just give ghunna. Hum, the tashdid will be there. So we will not give sukoon, but we will keep this tashdid. Hum, qulillahum. Sa, short. B, 2 counts long. This is a long vowel. Lil, give kasra for very light sound of kasra. Li, and then attach it with lam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. That will be light too because you found what? Kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Whenever you found kasra before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, you make Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name light. And how will you say it? Lillah, and that will be 2 counts long too. Lillahi, sabilillahi. And how will you stop? You will give temporary sukoon on ha, and if you find long vowel before temporary sukoon, you will change this long vowel into 4 counts long now. Now it will be more long, and ha will get rukhawa. Sabilillah. And now all lam except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, all lam will be light. So this is a practice to say light lam without Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. Tajalla, tajalla, tawalla, tawalla, tawalla. In first step, I'm saying it separately, and then I will join, and then I will give how to give sukoon. Here the sukoon, the situation will be the same. You will lu, you will lu. Now how we will stop? You will give number. You will حل 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 short. صل is heavy, and as it lam is light. فصلي, how will you give stop? فصل, it will give number. La, then the lam is light over here. Salatan, how will you stop? This circle ta changes into ha when it gets sukoon. Salah, you are giving temporary sukoon. So before temporary sukoon, you found what? A long vowel, and this long vowel will turn into 4 counts long when you give it a stop. So, salah, salatan, salah. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.